Now, how do you do? What's the first thing I said?
So I should press brake.
Okay. Press the brake. What next?
I should start the car. It's going down.
Yes, that's what happens. But you still press it down. Press it down more now.
Why?
It means it's active when it's going down. Press it down to be sure you're holding it.
Yeah, press is fully
Very
down.
well. Okay. Now, what's the next thing?
I should handbrake.
Okay. Now, handbrake.
Why is it not going down?
You press that button well. Sometimes it doesn't work. Pull it back up again. I'll show you something else. Sometimes it doesn't work. So if it's not working like that, while you are pressing the button, pull it up. Press the button. Release. That's actually how to release it normally. Pull it up a bit to make it free. Yeah. Exactly. Now, what's next? Press it.
The blood of Jesus.
I'll put it in drive. Why are you so scared? First thing, don't ever be scared. Put it in drive. That's on reverse. Are you looking at her? Now it's on. Once that light goes off, that means it's what? On drive. Now, look forward. Don't look at that. Look straight. Gradually release what? Your brake. Take your time to release it until you see the car moving. Take your time. There's no rush. Keep releasing. You are dropping your leg back, which is the issue. Keep releasing until you see the car moving. The car has not moved yet. I'm getting it. See, no stress. Okay.
Boss.
Keep to this road that shows that this is the road. You get. Now keep your hand back. Your hand is already coming to this side, so keep your hand back. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. Beautiful. Keep going.
How do you enjoy this?
If you are doing it the right way, you won't be stressed. It's because it's your first time off.
I can't drive. They are daddies. I never experienced tears of joy.
Whoa, focus. Now, don't pass your steering from one hand to the other like this.
I just they learn now. It's my
I'm
first
saying
day.
don't do like that. It's wrong. If you cultivate that habit, you won't be able to turn well and you might end up hitting somebody's car. So give it to yourself like an angle of 180. If your hand is coming, if this hand is coming from here, make sure that you don't pass it to any until it gets here. See, it was coming from on top. I did not pass it till it got here. By the time it gets here, the other hand is here. To take it like this. You get it? Bring it down. And this other hand is there. Take it.
I know, don't
worry. It's the way the car is that is making it to sound like.
Yeah, release the first and not go for yes.
Yeah. Put it on reverse.
Hey!
And release slowly.
I cannot see you.
Look at your mirror. Both mirrors. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, whichever one.
I don't use accelerator to reverse.
If it doesn't move, you can use it to reverse.
I'm speeding.
You're speeding? God, I beg.
I cannot see you.
Turn your hand. No.
How will I know?
Now, hold on, with reverse. To go to the right, you turn your hand to the right. To go to the left, turn your hand to the left.
I don't understand.
If I'm reversing and I want my bum to go to the left, meaning the bum of the car will go to the left.
Naturally.
I will turn my steering to the left. Yes.
If I turn like this, the bum will face here.
Nope.
And it's still the same thing with normal front one.
Yeah, exactly. To go to the left, you turn left. To go to the right, you turn right. Both for front and for reverse. Now, the only thing in reverse you have to consider is that when that bum is going to the left, the front is coming to the right. So if there's something beside you and you don't look at it, you can hit it without accounting for the space.
So I'm turning to the left now.
Where are you going to? Where are you supposed to be facing?
This is what I'm trying to.
Okay, now put it back in drive. And go. And don't climb that tire this time. Turn your hand well, if not you will climb the tire. Good. That walk, you will climb that tire. That walk. Good. Good. It's wide enough so some of these things can be afforded. Go. Okay.
Daddy, I know how to drive now.
No, to drive. You better watch this tire. You have climbed it. You have climbed it. Oh yeah, stop. You reverse.
What?
Did you see what you just did? The car was in motion and you pulled this thing like this.
I'm not supposed to.
Yeah! You're supposed to use your brake first.
I'm not just pressing fully, sorry.
No, don't. Oh yeah, reverse. Now, pada. Down pada now. And down pada. That's it. You see how simple it is?
Now, so you have been driving. That's why you know that.
Yes, I know that. But now that you started driving, you will learn it.
Hi, guys.
She did drive rubbish.
Shut up. It's my
Shall
first day. What do you expect?
Oh, okay. You did it well. You climbed down.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. How? There's nothing blocking your side here. Turn your hand. Turn. How will you not climb down? Turn it fully. Do you see that? Wait, man, Shani, not. That's how it's done.
You better
focus on your driving until you go.
Okay.